and picker.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Yes, we like it 10 past one night. Get some of the different cold meat.
Ham.
Can I help you?
Just looking.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Like your shirt. That shirt.
Thank you very much.
Walnuts.
Då kan jag ta ett par.
Mr. Bank.
Honey.
Hello, Mr. Bank. Hello. Cherry and marzipan.
Mm.